In the last lecture we had seen the concept of moment, and when we were talking about the moment, we have said that, say, to some link which is given in, say, this manner, whose one end is hinged and some force is applied which makes an angle alpha with horizontal. The length of the string, length of this particular link is given to us as, say, L, and that link is making an angle of theta. Suppose I name this as AB. Then we had seen that the moment of force F, moment of force F about point A, denoted as MA, will be equal to F into perpendicular distance. So it is going to be F into perpendicular distance, and we are required to drop perpendicular on the line of action of this particular force. So we will be dropping perpendicular on to this line of action of force, and if this distance is known to us, let us call this point as P, then it is going to be F into AP. But finding moment in this manner will be a difficult task, because we are required to find the distance AP as such. Instead of that, we can go for finding the components of force F and then try to find the moment. Of course, when we talk about the moment, I am going to consider it as clockwise positive, and this moment is going to be the clockwise one. So I can proceed further and try to redraw the figure. Now this is link AB, which makes an angle of theta with horizontal, and this was force F, which makes angle alpha with horizontal, and this distance is L. Now we can find out the components of this force in the vertical direction as well as in the horizontal direction, and they will come out to be F cos alpha and F sin alpha. And when we want to take the moment about A, then as force F has been put in the component form, we will be talking about the components of this force only and not force F. And a vertical force into the horizontal distance, if I call this distance as, say, R1, will be the moment of the vertical force F sin alpha about A. And similarly, the horizontal force, which is F cos alpha, into the vertical distance, which I can call it as R2, will give me moment of F cos alpha. And so moment about A will be vertical force F sin alpha into horizontal distance R1, and the horizontal force F cos alpha into the vertical distance R2. Now we can check that the direction of the moment F sin alpha is going to produce a clockwise moment, and so is F cos alpha. So both of them are positive. Our consideration is again the same one, clockwise positive.